Morning, SciTech. Today we're going to be talking about the world's biomes. What are biomes? Biomes are ecosystems that share similar climates and a climate with temperature, precipitation, animal life, vegetation, and soil type. Taiga. Taiga are like forests. Temperatures are very low. Vegetation mostly consists of cold, tolerant, evergreen conifers with needle-like leaves such as pine. So they're big pine trees, evergreen trees. Precipitation is often in the form of snow. It snows a lot. The soil is thin and doesn't have a lot of nutrients, which means it's not the best for certain kinds of vegetation. There's a lot of different animals in there. This word fauna means animals and wildlife. It includes different woodpeckers, hawks, moose, bear, weasels, wolves, deers, chipmunks, shrews, and bats. Different variety. Here's a picture of it right there. That's more like a good picture like the Northwest of America. The next one is the tundra. Extremely cold climate, low biotic diversity, which means there's not a lot of life out there. And if there is, it's not diverse. There's not a lot of different kinds. Not a lot of vegetation. It's a short season of growth and reproduction, which means the winters are real cold and hard to live in. Energy and nutrients are in the form of dead organic material that gets eaten by decomposers. The large populations, well, that means that the population changes a lot. Different animals are in and out of there. For the cold, there's different animals, and in the warm season, there's different animals. Here's a picture of a tundra. Not much, pretty barren, it's pretty empty. The desert. This is 1/5 of the Earth's surface. Rainfall is less than 50 centimeters a year, which means that it's very, very, very dry out there. Specialized vegetation is only vegetation that is best suited for that area, that's been best adapted, like a cactus or small shrubs that don't require a lot of water. Animals there are not a lot of animals out in the deserts. There might be a thing with camel. The camel is well adapted for a desert-like climate, but other than that, there's not much. It's mostly common. Reptiles are very common, lizards and snakes, because they don't need a lot of water to survive. Here's a picture of a desert. See, there's not much. Only specialized things can live there. A rainforest. Temperature is on the average of 20 to 25 centimeters. That's really warm and humid. Annual rainfall exceeding 200 centimeters. That's a lot of rain. Soil is nutrient poor and acidic. Decomposition is rapid and soils are subject to heavy leaching, which means that a lot of animals die, decompose in the earth, and things are reborn from there. There's a lot of canopies, which means a lot of leaves and trees, so very little light penetration reaches the actual floor. This has the most diverse life of animals. Here's a picture of it out in South America, Amazon's huge rainforest. Temperate forest. Temperature varies from -30 to 30 degrees Celsius, which is pretty cold to pretty warm, depending on the season. It hits all seasons. The soil is fertile and rich with decaying litter, which means it's good for vegetation. Diverse plants can live there. Many different species of organisms can live there. A lot of squirrels and rabbits and skunks and birds, mountain lions and wolves and fox and black bears live there. That's a lot of East Coast area. Here's a picture of it. See, it's nice. It's just a simple woods area, very woodsy. And grassland, last one. Regular droughts followed by hot temperatures. So it goes through areas with seasons with no rain and then extremely hot temperatures. Very few trees and shrubs. These are found on every continent except Antarctica. Many farmland. When you think of grasslands, think of the United States Midwest. It all looks like this. Not a lot growing. All right, just a lot of grass. Parts of Africa have a lot of grasslands. Okay. Different animals live out there too, mostly grazing animals, farm animals. All right, that's it. Thompson out. See you later, SciTech.